2019 Buick Regal TourX. The Buick Regal TourX provides all the functionality you could ever want from a vehicle. Large amounts of cargo room, plenty of headroom and legroom in both rows, and a look that stands out from the rest are all reasons to check this vehicle out. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, all-wheel drive, backup camera, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.